Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard Free Trial for single Google Ads accounts looking to effectively protect campaigns, fight click fraud, and mitigate waste to maximize campaigns' ROI. Protects and maximizes your Google Ads ROI. ClickGuard effectively safeguards and maximizes your Google Ads ROI so you can focus on the quality and success of your business without having to deal with abusive, disruptive, fraudulent, and wasteful clicks. Protecting the world's leading Google Ads professionals from wasteful ad clicks. The world's #1 network for fighting Google Ads waste. Superior PPC traffic in 3 simple steps. Once connected to your Google Ads accounts, our automated fraud and waste monitoring system immediately starts eliminating waste and boosting your campaigns for optimal ROI. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyzes every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.